Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a BoxyCharm November unboxing tutorial giveaway. Yes, that's correct. I'll be giving away something at the end of this video. You have to stay tuned to the end to see what it is, or if you want to cheat, you can check the description bar and see how to enter. Guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Candace. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. Also luxury videos on a separate channel. If you're interested in that channel, I'll have a link down below for you. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in once again and continuing to watch my videos. If you are new, hopefully you'll stick around and see what else my channel has to offer. FYI, I do a ton of giveaways. However, in order to qualify to win one of those, you'll have to be active consistently on my channel because I do pay attention to that. And if the widgets pick someone that is not active, I choose someone else. So let's dive right into the box this month. Nice lineup of products. I mean, I can basically tell you what I'm giving away too in the video. But the first thing in the palette is the Natasha Denona 5-pan palette. This is called Peak. It's a 5-pan eyeshadow palette. It has 4 mattes and 1 frost. And I did do a tutorial using this already on Instagram. I have posted it on here. I have not posted it on here. Actually, the video I did for this already will not go here. It will go on my luxury channel because Natasha Denona is considered a luxury brand. So I've decided to move it over there because that channel is luxury fashion and luxury beauty. So that's why it's over there. But of course, this look is going here because it's in the BoxyCharm. But already, an amazing deal, the fact that this is even in the BoxyCharm. Natasha Denona, are you kidding me? If you're not familiar with the brand, they're extremely high quality, they're pricey, okay? And honestly, the price is worth it because the colors are just that good. Now, this palette retails for 48 bucks. And as you know, that price normally is a bigger palette. This is only 5 pans. This already pays for 2 of the boxes, basically. Her bigger palette is over 100 bucks. And by what I mean bigger, let me show you. Okay, so for instance, this is her Tropic palette. And it's much bigger than the Peak palette, obviously. It has 15 pans in here, 15 colors. This one is like $125, something like that. It's very pricey, but I got it during a sale. I can see why they're pricey because they're worth it. Honestly, they really are. I can't say anything bad about Natasha Denona palettes. No fallout or minimal fallout. High pigmentation with just a swipe of color. And with this look, with the other look I did, no problems with any of the colors, no problems with blending. They all blend really well together. That's that. Spending too much time talking about this. Let's move on to the other products in the box. I have a Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. Comes in a box like this. I'm gonna go ahead and apologize for my light behind me. I should have brought, you know what? I should have brought a box light in here. That would have basically canceled out the sun that's behind me. Oops. This is what the package looks like. It has camellia and chamomile. Yes, I have Mario on my nails. It's like a Mario theme. I used to love playing Mario as a kid. Can't smell it because it's not open. I'm also not going to open it because I don't like starting the product and then not finishing it. This is retailed at $28. It is sulfate free. Yeah, it's a deep cleanser. Whenever I use this, it will be in my empties video and I will talk more about it on how it works and everything. This is the Kush Waterproof Mascara from Milk Makeup. I've heard really great things about this mascara. I did not use it this time because, as you know, if I'm using a mascara, I do not open another one usually. The most I'll have open at one time is 1 or 2 mascaras. I won't open more than that because a mascara only lasts a little while. Okay, it's sealed on both sides. I'm gonna leave it that way. If you want to see what it looks like, I would try to find a picture and insert it for you. But like I said, I do not waste mascara. It only lasts 2 or 3 months. And if I have 10 open at once, I'm not giving 1 or 2 enough attention. So pointless to open all those mascaras. That retails at $24. Wow. That is the price of the box, basically. I also have the Yenza Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. Super excited to try this because it has pumpkin, and pumpkin is my obsession. Not even just this time of year. If I had it accessible all year long, I would certainly consume it all year long. This is what the package looks like, appropriate because it is pumpkin and turmeric. Pumpkin and turmeric are both orange toned. You can smell this through there. It's sealed, but I can smell it. Oh, I cannot wait. This will also be my empties video when I do use it. That retails for $45. Okay, $45. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Pero Primero Primer Longwear Sticky Pigment Base. This is an eyeshadow primer. I did use that for this look. I will tell you right now, it is absolutely sticky, but not in a bad way. At first when I was applying it, my fingers were like sticking to my lid. I'm like, oh, how is this? But then I put the colors on top of it. It blends out really easily once you get past the stickiness. You just keep going, you warm it with your fingers, and then you apply it. It feels great. I am so excited to try this with like pigments and glitters, because with pigments, I really want to see if this, you know, helps it stick better because it's sticky. Also, I want to try it with cut creases to see if it works really well for those. Very excited about that primer. It worked really well for this look. I don't see any type of creasing, and the colors applied really nicely on top. That retails for $15. So yeah, that is my BoxyCharm for this month. Also, don't forget to stick around for the giveaway. Why am I doing this? Weird. Also, don't forget to stick around at the end of the video for the giveaway. I'm sure you won't, because anybody that sees giveaway, they're like, okay, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? How do I enter? How do I enter? Yeah. Just keep watching, okay? Enjoyed my look using my October November, sorry. I love this Natasha Denona palette. The Natasha Denona palettes that I've tried in the past have all been great. All her colors are great. She barely has any fallout in her palettes, and the colors are super pigmented. And let's get straight to the giveaway, because I promised you all a giveaway at the end of the video. I'm actually giving away one of these Natasha Denona palettes, because I had one already, because I had a Natasha Denona sponsorship last month with Natasha Denona. I probably will send it in this box Just to let y'all know, it comes in this type of package. So it's not a cute package. I apologize. I threw my box away to the half of it, so I would have given y'all that one. But it comes in a cardboard box, but it is the exact same as the one I have. The exact same, the package and everything. This is the new one. Exact same. Has the colors on the back and everything. Make sure I put the right one in here. I don't want to send y'all a used one. But I'm giving away one of these. Rules will be down below. Really, really simple to enter. Really, really simple. Just follow the instructions and you'll be good to go. Basically, be a subscriber of my channel. I don't know if I'm gonna make it a requirement to be subscribed to my other channel or not. I don't know. If I do, it will be down below. Also, you know, just leave a comment below. All of the details will be in the description bar, so be sure to read the description bar this time if you don't normally. You should anyway, because sometimes I do have surprises down there that you might not see and that I might not announce in the video that I post. So you always want to check that out. Even if you don't read it word for word, just kind of skim through there. Never know what you may find. But this time, be sure to read the description box because that's the only way you'll know how to enter this giveaway. And I'm only selecting someone who followed the rules. Like always. Rate the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss anything that goes live. Good luck to everyone. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.